Hey guys, I'm here with the InSkate Woboard. I just wanted to teach you guys a little bit on how to ride it. First things first, always have a helmet. Secondly, when you're first learning how to ride, you always want to have a big open parking lot. And when you first want to turn on the board, you need to power the switch underneath, and then you need to click the button on top of the remote. And whichever foot you're most comfortable with riding forward, you're going to want to put on first, and then your back foot on second. All right, when you're first learning how to ride the board, you want to ease up on the trigger so you don't catch any sudden movements, and then pull back to brake. When you're first starting to ride the board, you want to ride in beginner mode so it doesn't go too fast. When you want to change speed modes, all you got to do is press the button on the end of the remote, and there are lights on the bottom that will indicate which mode you're in. From bottom to top, it goes beginner, intermediate, then advanced. And if you're riding in low light conditions, all you got to do is press the button on the top of the trigger and a light will emit from the bottom of the board. And if you're interested in learning the temperature outside, your battery life, or your speed, there's a display screen on top of the board as well. And if you're looking to ride the board in reverse, all you have to do is pull the switch underneath the trigger. But the trigger is still the same. If you want to go backwards, you push forward. If you want to brake, you push down. Along with the remote, you can also control the board through the enSkate app, where it provides you valuable information about the board's temperature, your endurance, your speed, and even allows you to change the metrics from your phone. And when you're first riding, it's important to make sure that you have an even weight distribution and lower your center of gravity by bending your knees in order to keep your balance. And otherwise, the most important thing is to just have fun.